MAXIM Air is a licensed software for Max Technologies. This video will show the bus analyzer capabilities, how to set up a recording, as well as highlight several other features in MAXIM Air. When MAXIM Air is launched, the MAXIM Air logo appears followed by the MAXIM Air startup screen. To start a new project, select New Project on the left side of the window. A new window will launch that allows for the connection to the device and to name the new project. This project is using an Ethernet connection, and the default IP address for the device is 192.168.0.1. Clicking OK brings up another window to type in the username and password to access the device. Click Connect, and then MAXIM Air will connect to the device. Once back at the new project screen, select OK, and the project is created. In order to set up a new recording session, scroll down on the Project View window to Recorders. Right-clicking and then selecting Add New Recorder will create the recorder. Here is also where it is possible to add definition sets or ICDs to the project. The window that appears is the recorder. The next step is to add protocols and ports to the recorder so that MAXIM Air knows which ports to be recording from. In the Project View window, find the protocol or protocols that need to be recorded, right-click on the required port, and select Add to Recorder. Here, a port from ARINC 664, ARINC 429, and a port from CAN are added to the recorder. It is also possible to rename the ports so that they are more easily identifiable. In MAXIM Air here, they are renamed to correspond to the protocol being recorded. Now, to begin recording, click on the red Record button in the recorder window. A window will appear to decide whether or not to rename the data being captured. Selecting OK will start the recording. In the recorder window, messages are separated into rows with the information given at the top of the window. Information such as record number, port, message name for use with definitions, timestamp, and other information. Messages with errors are displayed in red. Selecting a message also shows more information about that message below. To the right of the recorder window is the monitoring window, which is useful for filtering. MAXIM Air also has great filtering capabilities. Filtering between protocols, end systems, and virtual links is possible with a simple click of the filtering option. By selecting the filter option here next to ARINC 664, the recorder window adjusts to show only ARINC 664 messages. Selecting a message will bring up more detailed information about that message. Selecting a piece of information will also highlight the raw data associated with it. On the bottom of the recorder window are three tabs: Recorder, Sampling, and Summary. The sampling window is for sampling individual values, and charts can be used here to monitor live data. In the summary window, information such as error counts, throughput, and distribution are displayed. MAXIM Air also has the ability to customize the GUI. By dragging a window around, it is possible to place it anywhere on the screen. This layout is also saved along with the project. Interested in MAXIM Air? Visit the Max Technologies website or contact one of the representatives below.